Good evening, guys. Bill McMillan here with NDWX.com. 7 o'clock, and our next storm system is taking shape off to our southwest, and we're really going to notice precipitation begin to blossom over the next couple of hours and grow in overall coverage and intensity as this storm system develops. And we forecast a mixture of sleet and freezing rain to make inroads into southern portions of the state just before midnight, generally probably between 10 and 11 o'clock across southern Indiana, before continuing to advance off to the northeast. Light snow likely to make it into Indianapolis around 1 o'clock or so, and light snow can be expected to continue through the overnight hours, ending from west to east between 6 and 7 o'clock or so. So look for another morning commute impacted by wintry conditions. And as we zoom out here and take a look at our latest snowfall forecast and ice forecast, biggest impacts from this storm system will occur across southeastern Indiana. A band of 1 to 3 inches of snow can be expected there, followed by a glaze of ice, potentially up to 2/10 of an inch across the southern portion of Indiana. So certainly if your travels take you across southern or southeastern Indiana late tonight or Wednesday morning, prepare for your commute to be impacted by the weather there. Another band of 1 to 2 inches of snow can be expected across northern Indiana. Now for the large majority of central Indiana, this is a rather non-event. In general, a dusting to less than 1 inch of snow, including Indianapolis itself. So a rather non-event locally here across central Indiana this go around. And again, things begin to wind down for everybody as we go into the mid and late morning hours on Wednesday. Now looking ahead, an active and cold pattern is here to stay, really, we think, over the upcoming 10-day period. This is a look at the latest snapshot temperature anomalies over 5 days over the upcoming week, and you can certainly tell where this battleground takes shape, that an active time of things right over our area into the Ohio Valley will continue. We've got the cold that continues to center itself across the north central plains into the Great Lakes, and relative warmth across the southeast. So in between, you know we're going to remain active, and that features a parade of storm systems over the next 10 days or so that will impact our area. Our next item on the agenda will come Friday with a rather lengthy period, we think, of moderate, potentially even heavy snow given the setup across northern Indiana. Now there's been some forecast models that would suggest that this band of snow potentially makes it into north central Indiana. We'll have to fine-tune that as we go through the next couple of days, but we're confident on an extended snowy period across northern Indiana over the next, or developing I should say, Thursday night into Friday. That's ahead of our next more widespread storm system that takes shape off to our southwest over the weekend before moving in here with a combination of sleet and freezing rain and rain developing Saturday evening before transitioning over to a more of a snow situation late Saturday night into the day Sunday. We'll have to fine-tune the details as we go through the next couple of days, but certainly if you have travel plans this weekend, keep abreast of the weather situation over the next couple of days as we fine-tune what looks to be another wintry weekend upcoming. High pressure develops and moves in here over the stretch of early next week before yet another storm system approaches off to our southwest in that Tuesday and Wednesday time frame. It appears that it will take a similar flavor to what we're dealing with over the weekend as well, with a combination of a wintry mix transitioning to snow. So certainly active times continue. In the meantime, guys, stay tuned to our updates as we go through the night and into Wednesday morning, especially across southeastern portions of the state. Make it a great night. We'll talk with you soon on NDWX.com.